Here's your 5-second summary. 5 simple passive income ideas you can start today, even with zero experience. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today we'll talk about 5 passive income ideas for beginners in 2025. Let's jump right in. First up, dividend stocks. Buy shares of companies that pay dividends, and you'll get paid regularly, just for holding their stock. It's like getting a bonus every few months for being an investor. Start small, reinvest those dividends, and watch your income grow over time. Second, print-on-demand online stores. Design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, then sell them online. You don't need to handle shipping or inventory. Upload your designs to platforms like Redbubble or Teespring and collect your earnings each time someone buys. Third, peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to others through apps like Lending Club or Prosper, and earn interest as they pay you back. It's a modern way of being the bank and collecting passive payments each month. Are you enjoying the content? Please leave a like, share, follow us, and turn on the notification bell to see more content coming soon. Fourth, create an online course. If you know something people want to learn, record short lessons and post them on sites like Udemy or Skillshare. Every time someone enrolls, you earn money, sometimes for years after you publish. Fifth, high-yield savings accounts. It's the simplest form of passive income. Put your money in an account with a top interest rate and let it grow while you sleep. No skills needed. Just a smart place to park your cash. Quick recap. Dividend stocks, print-on-demand, peer-to-peer lending, online courses, and high-yield savings accounts. Start with one, learn as you go, and build your stream slowly. If this helped you, hit like, share this with a friend, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tips. Thank you for watching until the end. We'll see you in the next video, if you're already part of our community.